Each XV-95 Ghost Kill stands more than 3 times the height of the Space Marine and shares a similar design to the XV-22 battlesuit worn by Commander Shadowsun. Nigh undetectable thanks to its overlapping stealth field generated by its stealth drones, from which the pilot forms an unnaturally strong bond while on extended missions behind enemy lines, and seemingly appearing out of nowhere thanks to a vast array of countermeasures. The XV-95 will unleash a torrent of heavy firepower before retreating back into the confusion and chaos of battle. The XV-25 stealth suit is a much larger version than the XV-15, remarked as being broader than the Space Marine. Like the XV-15, it is equipped with the standard battlesuit systems including a burst cannon, jetpack and a stealth field generator. It also incorporates a full medical suite, passive sensor arrays and nutrient reservoirs. Because of its support systems, stealth teams can call in reinforcements, command drones to aid them in battle and direct seeker missiles straight onto their targets. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.